Welcome to the CB6 cabbing machine video about the actual wheels that come pre-installed on this machine. Yes, it's very user-friendly and it comes with these 6 wheels already installed, so it's super easy to set up. So let's talk about what these wheels are and what they do. Go to the left side. The first wheel over here is your 80 grit wheel. This is a grinding wheel and it is to remove material. So if you have a cab, let me grab one really quick, roughed out, like this one, I could use this wheel to start removing these extra pieces of material that are outside of my shape. Now this is the 220 grinding wheel, so 80, 220. These are both for grinding. They're both diamond plated metal wheels. So you want to make sure with these wheels that you only use them to start your shaping and to remove material. They are pretty strong, pretty harsh. So if you're refining, you jump up to a higher wheel. Now the third wheel over here is the 280 grit resin wheel. So this is not a grinding wheel, so to speak. It's a resin wheel. So this is where you start really honing in on your shape, your curves, and starting to polish with this wheel. Then moving over to the left side here, you have your 600 grit resin. This again is for polishing, so you're getting some more of the scratches out, just the real fine scratches, and starting to really work on that polish here. Now if you do have heavy scratches, you're gonna wanna go back over here. Maybe go to this wheel, which is your 220 or your 280 resin. Unless it's a really big issue, I wouldn't recommend going back to the first wheel because it's gonna be pretty harsh over here. So this was your 600, and then the middle wheel on the right side is your 1200 grit resin wheel. Let me move the light over here so you can see better. This is getting some more into the polishing. So 600, 1200. Repeat all the steps here on your polishing. And then this is your 3000 grit resin wheel. And this is for that final polishing before you add the cerium oxide. Now on the side, it does have a felt pad all pre-installed for you. You can paint your cerium oxide on here and then polish up. This does come with a plate like this. It goes on with 2 screws. It's super easy. I have it off so I can show you that you do have the felt pad. If you get some cerium oxide, paint it on here. Make sure it's pretty chalky. You can use a spray bottle to get it a little more wet if you need to, but you don't want it too runny. And then this spins as well when the machine's on. This is actually for the water. There's a manifold in here, and you would turn these on as you go through. Make sure you use the water feature, and don't dry grind. Make sure you're wet grinding and polishing. The last cool thing about this machine, this all comes standard. Super fun machine. Great armrest here. The rolled, I think it's stainless steel. Is it great for your armrest as you're working? The drain is underneath here in the back, if you can see that. So that's where the water drains out, and there's drain hoses back there. And I have mine set up so that both sides go into this bucket, and then I just dump it, which is super easy. I have a 5-gallon bucket back there, and it just makes it easy to keep everything going. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have a CB6 and you love it like I do. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.